Hello guys, and welcome back. So in the last video we managed to successfully log in the user to Firebase and then also save their data to Cloud Firestore. Right now we have a logged in user inside Firestore. We can start now. We can continue with our application now. So the first thing that we want to do, let's display that user image if he's got an image in Firestore here. So for this, let's head over to our home screen, and then in our home screen here we have this padding, and then we are showing this circular progress avatar. Okay, I mean the circle avatar, not the progress avatar. Okay, so this image here we can put it here. So first we want to check inside the authentication screen if we have the image, and then if we don't have, if we have it, we will put this. If we do not have, we will put the image that we have. So here we can check inside our auth provider. So up here, let's go final auth provider. This will be equals to context.watch. We want to watch what's happening inside the auth provider. Let's import that. And then here now, before we show this, we just need to have a check. Okay. So first, let's check if auth provider dot user model. So first, we don't want to check the user model. What we want to check is only the image. Okay, auth provider dot user model, and then dot image. Okay, this one, not that, dot image. This, if this image is equals to empty string, then there is no image, so we need to remove the constant keyword here. So if this image is equals to empty, let's have a now check. We need to put a now check here. Okay, so if this is image is empty, then there is no image, then we will show what we are showing here, like that. So let's bring that there. We will show that, and then in the else we are going to show the network image, and then we are going to get auth provider user model dot image. Okay, that's what we're going to get. So this one is a constant. Let's add the constant keyword here, and then also here let's have a constant keyword. Now let's hot restart. So you can see that it's loading here. All right, it has taken us back to the home screen, the login screen. Why? Because here in the middle, that the landing screen, the initial route is the login screen. Now maybe we log in again, but this time you're going to see that it's not going to take us to the authentication screen. It's going to take us to the home screen because our data is already in Firebase. And then also I now realize that we did not create a method to log out. Maybe now that's when we should create the auth state listener in this video. But before that, first let's go ahead and log in again. Let's press that. Then let's do our OTP. Here you can see that it has taken us direct to the home screen because the data is already there in our Firestore. So now you can see that we are showing an image because here, let's come back to the home screen. We have checked that the image is there. We are showing this. So this also, let's make this as a widget so that we can reuse it elsewhere. So let's put a comma there and also there. So to make this as a widget, because what we want also, we want to be clicking on our image, and then we go to our profile, and inside our profile, that's where we are going to put the logout button. Okay, so So what we can do is let's copy this child of this padding here. We can copy all of these. Let's cut that, and then maybe let's go inside the global methods here. Then let's create a widget. So let's do that, and then remove everything that we don't need here. Here, maybe after this method, let's maybe below this show snack bar, let's create a widget. So this one will be a widget. This will be our user image widget. Okay, so you can see that it's got the Copilot already has an idea. So let's go what it's saying. This is a user image widget. So what we can do is yeah, we are going to need to pass this user image. So this one, let's pass it as image URL this time, and then we're going to pass the radius, and then let's also pass one more thing required. This will be the function, the on tap function. Okay, we're going to pass the on tap function, and then here instead of this, what we want to do is we are going to check here. Here we are going to remove everything and paste what we had, something like that. Okay, so here let's remove one. So here we are simply checking now, or I think Copilot was doing it better because it just had one of these and then it was checking on the background here. Let's see if that will work. So let's go back, Control Z. You can see that it's checking on the background here. So what we are going to check here is why do we having an error? Okay, so here it's an image URL. Okay, so if image URL dot is empty, we are going to dot is not empty, we are going to show that network image. So the things that we saved there. So first of all, let's paste those here, and then we want to show this network image. Let's copy that and then paste it here. And then instead of all of these here, we will show the image URL. Okay, and then let's remove the comma, and then here we are going to show this same one. So let's delete now this, and then let's import that, and then let's see if this will work. So the other thing that we didn't do is the on pressed. So to add this on top, we can wrap this with either a gesture detector or inkwell. So let's wrap this. Let me use the gesture detector, and then on top, I'm going to call our this on tap. Okay, like that. So we can put this as a void function. So up here we can put these brackets like that, and then it's a function like that. So now we're going to get this user image widget, and then go back to the home screen, and then call it here user image widget. Okay, we need to put the last bracket here like that, and then the image URL, we know we're going to get it from auth provider dot user model with a null check dot image, and then the radius we are going to put 20, and then the on top here we are going to navigate to our profile screen. So let's say navigate to user profile. Okay, Copilot knows what we want. Let's just put commas there and commas, and then now before we hot restart, because we know if we hot restart is going to take us back to the login screen. Okay, let's just do it, and then from there we will now create the auth state listener. Okay, so this video was just about putting this image here. So let's go ahead and hot restart. So we did the hot restart. It has taken us back to the login screen. Now let's fix this. because the application needs to know that we are already authenticated. When it starts, it should check if we are logged in, and then if we are logged in, we should directly go to the home screen. If we are not logged in, that's when we should come to this login screen. So let's do that in the next video.